Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix Fivem DLC files that are missing or corrupted. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. Here, click on Network and Internet from the left side. Now check your Wi-Fi connection. If it is turned on, turn it off for a few seconds and then turn it back on. Make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection before continuing. Now, click on Advanced Network Settings. Then click on Network Reset. This can help refresh your network configuration and fix connection issues that may prevent Fivem from downloading required files correctly. Now click on Windows Update from the left side, then click on Check for Updates and install any available updates. Keeping Windows updated can help resolve compatibility issues with games and applications. Now go back to the desktop and open the Run dialog box. Here type temp and click OK. Now delete all files in this folder. These are temporary files that are no longer needed and may sometimes cause issues if they become corrupted. Then go back and open the Run dialog box again. Type %temp% and click OK. Now again delete all files in this folder. If some files cannot be deleted because they are in use, simply skip them. Now open Recycle Bin. Here click on Empty Recycle Bin to permanently remove the deleted files and free up storage space. Now go back and open Google Chrome. Then click on the three dots from the top right corner. Then click on Settings. Here click on Privacy and Security. Now click on Delete Browsing Data. Select the time range, then check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Then click on Delete Data and wait for the process to complete. Once done, restart your computer so all changes can take effect properly. After restarting, launch Fivem again and check whether the DLC files are now downloading correctly and whether the error has been resolved. And that's how you can fix the Fivem DLC files are missing or corrupted error. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.